But we're just gonna do this cute little canvas. Y'all, I love, love, love these little canvas tote bags. Canvas bag, we're gonna be using some Pint-Art products. The products are a fabric medium and then the decoupage varnish and glue textile. Decoupage queen, it's called Surf and Sea, that is available. Okay, so we're just using the Pint-Art fabric medium. We're getting a good base coat on here. So since this is gonna be butted up right against that zipper, I'm gonna cut this portion and then I'll use my water pen on the other edges. Okay. Oh, that's so cute, so cute. We might add this in to our print. So again, that's another thing that's wonderful about this paper, because you can combine them. You can mix them in and they just blend so nicely. Oops. Yes, so then we're gonna use the decoupage varnish and glue. We are gonna get this, you know, and you're gonna use this just like you would you know, any decoupage medium. I only dry it for just a moment and then immediately go in with a top coat on this. Now we're going to get a top coat on this. We're gonna add this little seashell on there also. What stencil we're going to use? I just want to do something subtle, just a little something. I am gonna just give this a quick little, I don't know if it's ready for that to be done, because it is, you don't have to do this. I'm just using, this is, whoa. This is Pint-Art chalky paint in the color green patina. We're gonna see what we think of this color. We may not like it. I just wanted something a little closer. Literally, that's looking pretty good. Let's try this one. Cute. Y'all, that's really cute. Really, really cute. Okay. Oh, that's sweet. Yes, we're gonna put another, we're gonna seal that real quick. Okay. So let's see here. Let's see, what are those? Those are the emerald shimmer. Those are beautiful. The teal, the sapphire, and light sapphire. I definitely want, what is mine? The aqua. Love that. I think that's what we're gonna do our seahorse with here. Isn't that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous? Okay, we've got to give this one a big blingy eyeball. Do you like the AB stone for its eye? Ah, it's so cute. For the shell, I think we're gonna do more of the sapphire blue. Wait, what is this one? Love, love, love. I'm gonna hold the iron over that. for just a moment. I'm trying to see if we can there and do some big ones. I just want to do one on the center of all of these. Evie James. Okay, see, wait, hold on. You can kind of see how sparkly it is. It's sparkling. It's sparkling. Okay, here's the sea turtle. We gotta add a little sea turtle on there.
Can I help?
Look at how darling. So we use the Decoupage Queen paper. What did I say? It was Surf and Sea. And we stenciled on the sides. Of course, we use the Totally Dazzled Rhinestone Applicator kit. We use the aqua, the light sapphire crystal, and the Seaside Bling. Just adds an extra little something there. And I think it is just darling.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.